For
Hi guys, welcome to yet another makeup tutorial. I know it's been a while since I did a talk through kind of like makeup tutorial, so here goes nothing. Well, today we're gonna be doing a very simple, quick and easy. I know that I always say that my makeup tutorials are my makeup looks are easy and simple, but you see in just a minute it's quite simple. I think I only used about three shades, if I'm correct, but anyway, you just see in a few minutes. And then the other thing is, today I'm gonna be using some new affordable products, so yeah, so let's get started. And I'm starting off with the NickaK New York. Actually, this is a foundation and not a concealer, and this one is a mineral stick foundation, and this one is in a shade called brown. And I'm actually gonna be using a foundation to prime my eyelids. The reason why I'm actually using this is I've actually noticed the consistency of it is pretty thick for a foundation, but if you're the type of person who likes full coverage foundation, then this is the best. So it's very thick in consistency, hence I'm using it as a primer on my eyelids, aka concealer. So let's get going. I'm actually not good at doing talk through videos, but I'm actually trying, you guys. I'm really trying my best, because normally I kind of tend to lose concentration. So I guess I'm gonna work on it, but yeah, I hope you guys are doing well even during these difficult times. I hope all of you are well. And what have you been up to? What are your also New Year's resolution? Let me know. For me, I'm just gonna try and film more videos. I'll try my best, but can't promise, because I think voiceovers are a bit easier for me and they don't take longer to film. But I'm gonna try my best to kind of like incorporate both talk throughs as well as voiceover videos, and film more YouTube videos this year, as well as TikTok. And if you haven't followed me on my TikTok, it's actually Cindyblu, just like my YouTube channel. Yep. Today we're gonna be using new product, and the one we're going in with is called Spectrum. I was actually just minding my business at the mall, and I just happened to pop into my drugstore, and I came across this baby, and I loved the eyeshadow shades that they have, and it was quite affordable, so I figured why not grab it and give it a try and see how it goes. And so far the pigmentation, I love it. And coming up next, we're gonna be going in with this shade right here. Let me just try and zoom in a bit. This shade right here I'm gonna use to kind of like set my concealer underneath my eyes. Then next I'm just gonna apply my tape, just to kind of help my eyeshadow to be a bit more sharper, cleaner, more winged. That's what I'm trying to say. And as you know me, I like using one palette for my makeup looks, just to kind of like simplify things for you guys, and also so you can see what you can do when you purchase an eyeshadow like this, one palette shades. So next I'm going in with this shade right here. And then again in the same palette, I'm going in with this shade right here. I don't know what to call it, but it's more like a softer brown. And this is just gonna help darken that shade that we just applied. So I'm just following the same way that I applied the previous eyeshadow shade, and this is a winged look all the way through. And once I'm happy with the pigmentation, I'm gonna go in with the same brush that we used for that burgundy eyeshadow shade, and without adding any product on it, and I'm just gonna blend out those edges a bit. Now I'm going back in with the NickaK mineral foundation in the shade brown that we used previously to prime, and I'm just gonna use it to cut my crease, wing crease. Yeah.
Treat each other right. Ask the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we're taking.
And then next I'm going in with this shade right here. I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelid space, whatever's left of it. And then next I'm just going in with glitter liner, and I'm gonna line my crease area. Next I'm going in with the Essence eyeliner pen. This one is a extra long lasting with a nice tip.
Push the pedal to the pavement. Always dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel ghosts inside.
I just wanted to come in, guys, and give you a tip. What happened is I managed to smudge my glitter liner into areas where it wasn't supposed to be at. So I'm just going in with a clean synthetic brush, dry of course, and I'm just sweeping it away. Just make sure that your glitter liner is dry before you go in and sweep it off. Next I'm gonna pop in some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, next I'm just gonna go in with some gel liner, and I'm just gonna darken, black out my waterline, my lower lash line, and then we can proceed. Next we're gonna jump onto the face, then come back and finish off the eye look.
Treat each other right.
And then for the foundation, today I'll be going in with a new product, and this one is the Sorbet Bare Faced Foundation, and this one is in a shade called Walnut. And I'm just taking my damp beauty blender, and this is what I'm going to use to apply my foundation.
Always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah.
And then next, just to kind of like balance things out, as you may have noticed, the Sorbet foundation in the shade Walnut was a bit darker for me. So to kind of balance things out, I'm gonna be going in with the lighter foundation, and this one is from MAC, and I believe this one is an NC30, and I'm just gonna apply it on top of that. And I'm just gonna apply it just where I would normally highlight, the areas where I would normally highlight, and I'm gonna kind of like let the darker foundation be like my contour shade. So yeah, it's so much lighter, so I'm just gonna use it where I would normally highlight, just like so. And this is just gonna help balance out my skin tone, basically. And then next, just to set that foundation, I'm gonna be going in the MSLondon Cosmetics Mineral Foundation again. And today I guess it's all about foundation, and this one is in Cocoa #1, and it has like a little yellow pigmentation to it. So I'm just gonna very lightly apply it all over my face.
You're regretting, can't erase the steps we've taken, can't go back to the time and place we.
Then next I'm going in with the Smudge Blush Duo, and this one is actually called Peaches, and as you can see, it has 2 shades to it, so I'm kind of like just gonna pick both of them up and just apply them on the apples of my cheeks. I like it because it's not too pink, it's very sheer. And next I'm going in with the e.l.f. Healthy Glow Bronzing Powder, and this one is like a gold tint to it. I'm just gonna apply it on the inner corner of my eye, just right there, my tear dot area.
Push the pedal to the pavement.
On the tip of my nose.
That would make it in the rear view. Our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better.
And then some of it just on top of that blush.
We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson.
And then to finish things off, I'm gonna be going in with the Essence Instant Matte finishing spray, basically. And that's about it, you guys.
But if you want, can we try again? Try again.